Good morning from Hawaii Caesar Palace Hotel, 5-star hotel in Hurghada in Egypt. I want to show you some of the grounds of the hotel in a daylight. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful, and now I'll bring you to the beach. The hotel has its own beach. Very polite, very friendly staff. Very well maintained, super clean, spotless. And everyone is busy doing its job, watering the plants, cleaning, mopping. Cleaning the beach. This hotel has 13 swimming pools. It's my second stay here and I love it. There are many restaurants, beach cafes, but today is December, so some of them will not work. But we are happy with what we have available. The beautiful weather, that is enough. And the friendly people here. And of course the delicious food. That is the umbrellas on the private beach of the hotel. The only thing you have to do is to take the beach towel from the beach towel station here near the beach and just go and enjoy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Very beautiful grounds, excellent maintained. And that is the beach. Spotless. Spotless. Look at how clean it is. And that is the beach. 5 years ago when I was here, this thing was not here, but 5 years are too many years, so the things has changed. Before we could go straight to the beach, but now it's a little bit different, but it's still okay. Beautiful, beautiful Red Sea.